Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are making this creamy, well-seasoned bomb.com. Do people still say bomb.com? I don't know. I do though. I say it. We are making the best chicken salad, y'all. This chicken salad, oh child, it is so good. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start by seasoning the bejesus out of this chicken. Now, I like to use these guys when I'm seasoning my chicken for chicken salad. I got some Old Bay, celery salt, onion powder, garlic powder. Yes, because, honey, let me tell you, a perfectly seasoned chicken salad, it'll make you so happy. It will. It really will. But of course, feel free to use any of your favorite all-purpose seasoning blend. Just make sure that it has some salt in there, okay? Just add a little bit of salt in there and make sure that you are generous with this, okay? You want to be very, very generous. So go ahead and just season that chicken both sides, okay? Do the top, flip it over, do the other side. Make sure it is thoroughly coated in all of those yummy, yummy spices. And you may be thinking, okay, Monique, girl, calm down. You are over seasoning that chicken. And yeah, I am, because I want this chicken to be so dramatic. I want it to be peppery and spicy and garlicky, all that. I want all that in this chicken, because once we get it mixed in with everything else we're gonna add, y'all, it's gonna be perfectly balanced. So just roll with me, okay? Just rock it out with me on this little part. You're gonna love it. Okay, so that chicken's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and place it on a pan, and now we're going to bake it. We're gonna bake at about 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Now, depending on the thickness of your chicken breast, you may need to increase or decrease that cooking time, okay? We don't want to dry out this chicken, so keep an eye on it and make sure you don't overcook it, all right? Now, once your chicken is out of the oven, give it a time to cool off a little bit, and then once it's nice and cool, you can go ahead and just cut it up into small pieces. Now, I like my chicken salad chunky, okay? I like things to be chunky up in here. But if you want it to be like, a little less chunky, then you can make it smaller, or you can even shred the chicken. Whatever clucks and plucks your chicken, that's what you do. Dice it up, shred it, doesn't matter, okay? All right, so now we have our chicken all diced up. That looks good. The hardest part is done, yay! So now we can move on to chopping up all of our other ingredients, which just so happens to include some celery. Go ahead and just dice that celery up into really teeny tiny pieces, okay? I like to have really tiny pieces of celery in my chicken salad. I don't like big chunks of celery. Me no like it, okay? I don't like that. Make it small. All right, next we're gonna dice up our onions. Again, think super tiny here, really small, not unless you just really, enjoy big pieces of raw onion in your chicken salad. I don't, but what ifs. And then last, we're gonna add in our hard-boiled eggs. Now, I love a lot of hard-boiled eggs in my chicken salad. I love that, you guys. But if you don't have to add this many. I know it's a lot. You do not have to add this many. That's the beauty of cooking for yourself. You can kind of, do what you want to do. But I'm feeling wild and free, so I'm adding a ton of eggs in my chicken salad. I'm going for it, y'all, okay? All right, so here's all the stuff we're gonna add to our chicken salad, and here's all the stuff we are not gonna add to our chicken salad, because let me tell you, I have a huge Southern family who follow my blog, and I know that if I put these cranberries and walnuts and stuff in this chicken salad, I'm gonna be getting phone calls, texts, emails from family, deceased relatives, like, what they do that is? That ain't how Grandma Barb taught us. That's wrong, girl. So yeah, we're gonna keep this chicken salad very, very Southern and traditional and basic, okay? It's still gonna be the bomb, but we're just not gonna add in all that other stuff to it. But let me tell you, if you like this stuff in your chicken salad, by all means add it, honey, because life is too short to not eat what you like, all right? Perfect. Okay, so I have added in all of my chopped ingredients into a large bowl. I'm just gonna go ahead and just mix everything up. I like this part. I can just look at it and tell it's going to be so good. Okay, now we're going to add in our sweet relish. That sweet relish is going to balance out the spiciness and the peppery and the saltiness of that chicken. So don't skip the sweet relish. It's just the perfect ingredient in this chicken salad. Okay, so now it is time for the lady of the hour, the star of the show, and I am talking about mayonnaise. Yeah, I am using Duke's mayonnaise because, is there a better brand? Okay, I think not. Other than homemade, what are the options here, people? Okay, And I'm doing this on purpose. I'm teasing you guys because I know that I have a lot of people who just can't stand Duke's mayonnaise. It's always this little, ew, Monique, no, don't use Duke's, use Hellmann's. So we always go back and forth. So yeah, I gotta tease them whenever I use my Duke's. But of course, you can use whatever brand of mayonnaise that you want to use. That looks perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so now that you have your mayonnaise all mixed in and stuff, we are almost done. I'm just gonna add in a little bit of pepper. I'm gonna add in some parsley. I love how this parsley just makes this chicken salad look so pretty. It makes it look so pretty. So don't skip this step. Now go ahead and give it a taste. You can add in other stuff, but oh, I almost forgot. I almost forgot one. My dill weed. Gotta have that dill weed. Dill weed belongs in chicken salad. It really does. It goes so good in chicken salad. Go ahead and add some dill weed. Give it a taste. You can add paprika if you want to. Sometimes I'll just sprinkle it over the top because I don't want to turn the chicken salad, you know, that orangey tint to it. So I'll just sprinkle it over the top when I'm ready to serve it. But that, ladies and gentlemen, we are done. We are done. Place it in the fridge. Let it get nice and cold because all those flavors are going to come together. So yeah, you want to let it chill out in the fridge for a little bit. And then you are ready to serve it. I like to serve my chicken salad either with saltine crackers or buttery croissants. Those two. So good. So good. But that is the recipe for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and check out my other videos later.